ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமக. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமக. தசகம் 94 ஸ்லோகா 3. ஏவம் த்வத் பிராப்திதோன்யோ நஹி கலு நிகில க்லேஷஹானே ருபாயோ நைகாந்தாத்யந்திகாஸ்தே कृषिवदगद षड्गुण्यषट्कर्मयोगाः दुर्वैकल्यैः अकल्या अपि निगमपथाः तत्फलान्यप्यवाप्ता मत्ताः त्वां विस्मरन्तः प्रसजति पतने यान्त्यनन्तान् விஷாதான். வேர்ட் பை வேர்ட் மீனிங். ஏவம் த்வத் பிராப்திதக அன்யக other than attaining to thee in this manner. நிகில க்லேஷ ஹானேஹே for the eradication of all sorrows. உபாயக the means. Na hi kalu there is none indeed. Te agada षड्गुण्य षट् कर्म योगाः अगदाः औषधानि षड्गुण्यं षट् कर्माणि योगाः च the means such as medicines, the 6 gunas, the 6 karmas and the 8-limbed yoga. See note below. Krishivat like cultivation. Ekantatyantikaha na are not capable of eradicating sorrows completely or preventing their recurrence. Nigama pathaha the Vedic paths. Durvaikalyahi because of difficulties which are difficult to overcome, such as lack of time, shortage of material resources, incapacity of the performer, etc. Akalyaha api are also not capable of being practiced. Tat phalani avaptaha api even if somehow their results are attained. Mattaha those engaged in such Vedic rituals become arrogant. Tvam vismarantaha and forgetting thee. Patane prasajati sati when downfall comes. Anantan vishadan yanti go through endless suffering. Full meaning. There is no means of eradication of all sorrows other than attaining merger with thee, as said in the previous stanza. The various means such as medicines, the 6 gunas, 6 karmas and the 8-limbed Patanjali's yoga are like cultivation, not capable of eradicating sorrows completely or preventing their recurrence. The Vedic paths of rituals are also very difficult to practice because of irremediable inadequacies such as lack of time, shortage of material resources, incapacity of the performer, etc. Moreover, those who practice them and get results become arrogant and forget thee, and when downfall comes, as a result, they have to endure endless suffering. Note 1. The 6 gunas: Sandhi, alliance; Vigraha, war; Yanam, expedition; Asana, halt; Ashraya, seeking shelter; and Dvaidhibhava, duplicity are the 6 means open to kings in dealing with enemies. Amarakosa 1504. 2. The 6 karmas, those enjoined on the Brahmana: Adhyayanam, learning; Adhyapanam, teaching; Yajanam, performing sacrifice; Yajanam, do a yajna for another; Danam, giving gifts; Pratigraham, receiving gifts; Manusmriti 10.75. 3. Cultivation. This has to be done again and again every year, and the result may not always be adequate. Om Tat Sat.